Hello everyone! Welcome to this first tutorial for the HDfleX software. This is the first video out of a series of tutorials on HDfleX. HDfleX is a software application for the post-processing of hydrogen-deuterium-exchange mass spectrometry data. It performs kinetic fitting, merges bottom-up, middle-down, and top-down data into a single output, and performs robust statistical significance analyses, amongst other things. If you would like to learn more about the scientific basis behind HDfleX, you can read our paper describing it, found at the link in the description box below. In this video, I will show you how to get started with HDfleX. So first, let's download and install the application. You can download HDfleX from the University of Exeter ORE website, which can be found at the link in the description box below as well. To download it, click on the HDfleX installer exe file here. After download is complete, double-click on the installer icon and go through the entire installation process. You might get this message, just run anyway. Now that everything is installed, let's open HDfleX. Make sure that you go through the terms and conditions of use and whether you're happy with everything. You can find more help on how to use HDfleX by using our manual. Yeah, we wrote one and there's loads of information in it on how to perform each specific step. Thanks a lot for watching. In the next video, I will show you how to prepare your input files for analysis in HDfleX. I hope you enjoyed this first tutorial and stay tuned for more.